Hey, history buffs, let's dive into the battle for Bhubaneswar's Dak Bungalow. Recently, there's been a heated debate over the state government's plan to demolish a British-era Dak Bungalow on Mahatab Road. Yeah, this isn't just any old building. It's a piece of history dating back to around 1850. So, what's the fuss all about? Anil Dher, the convener of INTACH's Bhubaneswar chapter, is at the forefront of the opposition. He points out that this bungalow was built for British officials and served multiple roles. It was a court for British proceedings, a transit point for the Imperial Mail Service, and even a venue for auctions of properties acquired through the Sunset Law. But wait, there's more. During the Great Indian Trigonometrical Survey from 1840 to 1870, surveyors made this bungalow their base. Engineers working on the Bengal-Nagpur Railway also found shelter here. Renovated during Lord Curzon's visit in 1899, the bungalow comes with its own tales of being haunted. Despite its age, Dher insists the structure is still sound and could be restored. INTACH has a vision to transform the Dak Bungalow into a museum and interpretation center. Imagine walking through a space that showcases Bhubaneswar's rich heritage and ancient artifacts. This isn't just about preserving an old building. It's about maintaining our cultural heritage amidst rapid modernization. The advocacy by INTACH highlights an essential question. How do we balance development with heritage conservation? So what do you think? Should we let go of our past to make way for the future? Or is there room for both? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.